Hello everybody, welcome back. I've been gone, been MIA for a bit. I got home after a ride. I was tired and wasn't really thinking, and Tina needs a wash. I didn't put the kickstand down, and the bike, she leaned a little bit, and the clutch master cylinder, this part right here, so the bottom thing that's holding on the lever was already broke apparently, and the top one broke out too. So that was a $200 mistake I made. I ordered new fairings while waiting for the new part because I was like, Tina needs this. So I got those ordered, and also got a fresh set of tires as well, so that's pretty fun. We're gonna close the visor here. I'm gonna try to be a little gentle with her, just because I got the new tires on and they're a little slippery. Haven't gotten gas in a while, and last time I filled up I put some fuel injector cleaner, so I don't really think that burns the same way as like fuel does, so kind of went through pretty quick. So we're gonna actually just top it off with gas and let it be. I don't know, it's been rainy for like a few days last week. I mean, yesterday was like the first full day I could ride the bike, and surely enough, that's the day it decides to rain. It was sad. I mean, I guess technically the day before I rode it, but I went and got the tires changed. Like, I don't really think that counts, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, I went on a ride, but I didn't really get to enjoy the new tires. Yeah, it would have been yesterday, but I've realized even though I'm on my bike, I sit higher than most vehicles. It's just, like, it makes sense, but it's just kind of like a wild thought. I never really thought about that, or like, even some trucks, like I'm eye level with those trucks, even though I'm like the exact opposite of a truck, you know what I mean? Like, I'm really exposed. So I got a camera to put here. It's a 4K action cam. It's not like it's like a knockoff GoPro, I guess. I don't want to get an actual GoPro until, oh god, I almost flung off here. I don't want to get an actual GoPro to mount there, just until I know it's like I can handle the editing and stuff, because I have a very specific idea of how I want to do it. So here's a semi. So I'm gonna fuel up and pick up after that. The fuel up is done. We're off the freeway, so that's good news. You can hear me now. I like this helmet. I didn't think I would. I got a new helmet, by the way. It's an LS2 Assault, and I love, because it has like a visor inside of the helmet that you can raise and lower with like a little thing on the side. So I don't have to replace the screen on it all the time. I can just lower and raise my sunglasses, we'll call them. It also has a pin lock, which helps tremendously with fogging, like a whole lot. It's crazy. So yeah. But yeah, fantastic. I never thought a pin lock would be like this helpful. It has yet to fog up on me unless I'm like stopped and it's freezing. So, but I don't have to crack my visor anymore to get the fog out, so that's nice. I like that. New tires, oh man, this bike is so smooth now, it's ridiculous. It's unreal. Like, I can tell that they're getting broken in now, and like, oh man. Really? Oh man, I just stopped. This light really just hoed me like that. Ooh. Oh man, new tires just feel so nice. My goodness. It almost feels like a whole new motorcycle, to be honest. Not exaggerating either. Well, I'm gonna cut the video here. I'm almost there, and I kind of want to just enjoy the last few minutes of this drive. So thank you guys so much for watching and coming back. I do apologize for my small little hiatus there. It wasn't by choice, I promise. I would not have made a $200 mistake if I didn't have to. So no, I'm sorry, I wouldn't have made it even if I had to. That's what I meant to say. Anyways, thank you guys so much. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace.